Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can show or hide notification using the referral site. It's really simple. Go to notification and choose the notification you want to display to visitors from referral site and click on edit. Now navigate to display and in segmentations you will see the option referral site. Turn it on and you will have an option to select conditions. Here we have four conditions: contains, exact, not exact and not contain. Before explaining these conditions, let's understand how it works. What is a referrer? In simple words, whenever someone visits site B from site A, then site A is called the referral site. Let's take an example here. Here, site A is Facebook. Let's post one link redirecting to WiserNotify.com. I have already posted one here. Now, whenever someone clicks here, they will be redirected to WiserNotify.com. So, here the Facebook is the referral site. By now, I hope the concept of the referral site is clear to you. So now let's get back to the dashboard. As we discussed before, we have four conditions here. We'll go with the contains one. And now if you want to target notification to any specific audience coming from referral site, you can add it here. Let's take facebook.com for example and click on add. So now whenever someone visits your site from Facebook, notification will be displayed to them only. In similar ways, you can use other three conditions as well. So that is how you can target the audience using the referral site. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or reach us at support@wisernotify.com.